This program is brought to you by Nestle Classic Eclairs.
Journey into pleasure. Begin with lush caramel, then go deeper to the heart, where rich Nestle chocolate waits to give you pleasure right to the end.
Just when cheering practice gets fun,
Sure!
your family don't let you down.
But ganon, I took a bath this morning. Bio can strike anyone because just killing germs can't protect you from odor the way Rexona can. Only Rexona has Deosteral Max for all-day odor protection. Para lagi ka mukhang mabango.
Now you've got confidence the whole day through. Cause Rexona won't let you down. Hinahanap, katipiran. Hinahanap, kalusugan. Hinahanap, kasarapan. Sa Velas ko natagpuan, lahat nito katangian. Yan ang Pinoy sarap, sa Velas lang nalalasap.
Payless!
Hinahanap na Pinoy sarap. Unang-una ako. Unang-una Zesto. Zesto, our #1 juice drink.
Now in the new Quick Punch Doy Pack.
Skyflake. Tayo ay iisa, isang iyak, isang pawis, isang galak, isang pahinga, isang tuwa, isang ginhawa. Skyflakes, ang pambansang biskwit, nagkaisa sa isang lasa, isang sarap, isang sky. Skyflakes, Skyflakes, ang pambansang biskwit.
Mali pa ako. Idol ko na siya. He taught me everything I know.
Merienda muna. Hinanda kong paborito nyo.
Bear Brand sterilized milk for generations, keeping families healthy and strong to reach their aspirations and dreams.
O iha, drink your milk.
Ang galing niya talaga.
The best of yesterday stays with
Bear Brand sterilized milk, the special milk trusted for generations.
Mrs., kamusta ang Pasko mo? Hindi ka pa nakakatawag sa US, no? Mag-Globe AT&T ka na! Call the hotline to be a member, tumawag ng collect sa Amerika, at mag-Merry Christmas via 10512. May katumbas na points ito na pwedeng ipagpalit instantly. Gift vouchers, mini appliances, may trip pang papremyo. Sa Club AT&T 10512, siguradong winner ang Pasko mo. Call our hotline now.
The sun can cause skin darkening even on a cloudy day. You need Johnson's Face Powder with Sun Protection. Gives 6 times more protection from the sun.
Sunshine.
You wouldn't know what friendship really means.
Pare, ano palagay mo sa akin? Mukhang pera. Hindi mo sa ganun, pare naman eh.
Hoy! Gary! Tama na!
Muna ako dito, kala ko mature na tao dadatnan ko. Para mga away-away. Magkanya-kanya na lang tayo.
Until you know when it will last.
Time to change your friends. Yung mga friends mo, more of a liability pa nga eh.
And how to define